Murali Krishna, working in Zuari Cement as DGM Customer Service in charge for AP and Telangana states. From past 15 years since I've joined a sales and marketing job in the cement industry. What's happening is most of the people actually run behind the sales and not exactly the marketing. So we need to really understand that marketing role, and unless we study some theoretical concepts based on so many case studies happened in and around the world, there is a huge difference in going with IIMs and the normal base schools. That is what has actually motivated me much. Artificial intelligence, which is into this new current world. I was not much into it, but I was pretty much curious when I first started using the Microsoft phone, where I can create some good apps and all those things. But I could not create the workflows and applications. But this new AI, though I'm not a software engineer, I'm basically a civil engineer, but I could use the AI and create the codes and develop the codes and develop an app and create a series of workflows so that I get an automatic output within few seconds. By learning with the peers and with the professors who have explained as well, it has actually improved a lot. I'm actually working out in our own industry so that it will ease out the process for so many people. So that is what has actually benefited me.